good. We can button it back up.
Okay. Last time I checked, the real feel was like -15. So it's cold, but all these layers make it warm. And you keep moving, makes it better.
And we're out.
Let's get out.
Hey, come back this way.
What's that? I'm just letting him know when it's tight, then he's gonna pull.
Yeah, go ahead.
We are out here running a checkpoint in support of a security for a critical site. It's a pipeline. It's not far from here. And we're just set at the checkpoint to watch and stop traffic going past this MSR right here and trying to stay warm.
Do you have an idea what the temperature is?
The last time I looked, it was about 3 degrees. So maybe it got a little colder, maybe it got a little warmer. The wind died down, that matters. The wind makes a big difference here, for sure. But the QRF guys were right around?
Correct.
Okay, cool, right on. All right, that's all we know so far?
Correct.
Okay, I'll brief the other guys. Cool, cool. So the bolo that went out for the black SUV, it got spotted down further on Dome Road, so QRF went down there to go check them out to see if they can't stop them and question them, see what's going on with them, stuff like that. So that's what we're waiting on. But they at least spotted the vehicle. Keep eyes out, keep rotating, stay warm, and stuff like that. But we're waiting to hear back to see if they make contact and what they find out. All right? Thanks.
My name is Private First Class Hall. And I'm here right now. I'm doing it. I'm in Alaska for the first time, and you know, I never seen this much snow, and I've never been in the negatives before in my life. So this is a very interesting environment that the guard has gotten me through. But you know, I don't regret anything about joining. So this is definitely fun for me, and I can tell from all my friends that it's fun as well. So we're having a good time out here. Well, I'd give or take it's about 5-10 minutes that the icicles start forming around your eyelashes, so maybe a little shorter than that.
You're famous now.
Well, I'm Sergeant Meyers. I'm one of the many team leaders of my squad. We're doing cold weather training, getting used to anything for any kind of circumstance that we might run into. Yeah, the temperature change is fairly drastic. I left a few days ahead of them, and when I left Colorado, it was mid-50s. I got off the plane in Fairbanks, and it was almost like a blizzard, probably 10 degrees outside. Today is what, like 1?
Yeah.
It's a little chilly.
It feels colder than that.
We left Colorado just a few days ago. Got here, it was a pretty big shock. We were on a hot C-130 landing, so we had nothing on, and then they opened the door and it was freezing. So it took a lot of adjustments. Everyone adjusted very quickly. That's usually what our unit does. I mean, we can adapt and overcome. But yeah, I mean, coming out here, we got stuck twice because we couldn't find the road. But I mean, we had the right proper equipment. We know how to get unstuck. We know how to self-cover very well. But yeah, it's a completely different environment. It's awesome. So get ready. You guys are going to be SPing in 15 minutes. So at 14:15 or 14:35, you guys need to be set with a checkpoint at the or we can do a critical site security / checkpoint right up at the pipeline. All right. And second or third standby. Understand? Cool. That's it. Seriously, I told you it was gonna be fast.
We're lying.
I'm keeping it, yeah, keeping it low key.